Hey guys, today we're going to make some tofu saag. This is a spin on a dish typical in Indian cuisine, usually made with paneer, which is a type of cheese. This one is a little bit different, but super nutritious and packed with lots of good stuff. So here we go. First thing you're going to do is microwave your spinach leaves for about 3 minutes. Once the spinach is done, you're going to take about a cup of it and you're going to blend it up. You can use a regular blender. I like using an immersion blender, just easier to clean up. Next, you're going to do basically the same thing to the kale. You can use mustard greens. I think it's more traditional, but I couldn't find any at the grocery store, so this is what I'm using. Add about a quarter cup of the greens into the spinach mix, and you're going to blend that up all together too. Next, you're going to bloom your spices in the oil. This is all the spices listed in the ingredients all together, and you're just going to let them toast until they start to become fragrant. Next, you're going to add in your onions, and you're going to toast those up. You want them to become really caramelized, on the verge of being burnt. Adds a lot of flavor. going to add a can of tomatoes to the spices and the jalapenos and the garlic, and you're going to toast that up until you reduce down some of the liquid. Next, you're going to take about half of that mixture, put it into the spinach and kale blend, and you're going to blend that up all together. Then you're going to add about half the cashews and about half of the almond milk, and you're going to blend that all up into a nice slurry. Next, you're going to turn the heat back up onto your pan with the remaining tomato mixture, and then you're going to add the rest of the microwaved greens, and you're going to start cooking them together with the blended slurry. Next, you're going to add the rest of your almond milk and wait till this is all cooked through. add in your blocks of tofu. Make sure that these are thoroughly drained so you don't add a lot of extra moisture to the mix. Pretty long ingredient list, seems complicated but actually really simple. One pot other than the blender, but it's delicious. Serve it over rice, top it with the remaining cilantro and cashews.